Why, good morning. Welcome to the land of the living. If this is your very first time joining me on my YouTube channel, welcome. We are considering you a part of the Homebody family at this point. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please make it your business to leave a comment because we family. You're in the Homebody family now. So this is the Home Life. Welcome to my channel. And clearly we are about to go about regular life. So I got a couple tasks that I have to do around the house, and I wanted to take you guys along, with one of the first tasks being to take care of myself and go take the dogs for a walk and go get a workout down in the basement. So let's go. Since it is a pretty nice morning and I want to get the best workout possible, I'm going to drop them back off at home and run another mile and then come back and do weights. So I have officially finished my 2 miles and 40 minutes. All right, I am officially done with my workout for today. I managed to work out for a solid 45 minutes, so I'm gonna count that as a win. This is our little gym area. Here, let me give you a quick tour. That's my elliptical. This one is my husband's weight bench. That's my weight bench, and usually this is the little area that I work out in. Over here, okay? I'm not built for this. I'm built for this. So there's that. And also we've got like the weight tree, and then I got like a step thing. You know, the things. Now it's time to go feed the chickens. So we started out with 5 chickens. One got ate by a hawk. Now we only have 4. But it's one of my little daily tasks if my husband doesn't, do it. But it's pretty cool to have chickens. Of course, the never-ending saga of laundry. This particular load, I just washed my microfiber towels, and as you can see, my husband's foot, and he's just sitting there watching. Oh Lord, you know how this goes. One of my favorite things to do is to bleach the shower right before I get in it. That way, after I get out of it, I know that that's one less thing that I have to do after I've gotten ready for the day. But literally, like, I love cleaning my shower because I get to use my husband's power drill with this attachment, which I will leave down below in the description bar. But I like to use it because it is so much more effective than anything. But what I will say is that I really hate that my towel is brown, and I really do not like that the grout is even darker. And it makes it almost impossible for me to be able to see stains. So hopefully, when I get ready to retile this tub, I will pick a lighter tile because I want to be able to see the stains. I want to be able to see what's dirty. And I just hate that I can't see any dirt. Like, let me know. Comment below if you're that way too. Again, this dome attachment is everything to get in the creases and the crevices of my shower, the toilet. I mean, if you don't have one of these, get you one. It is a sound investment. This isn't a deep clean kind of day, or else I would have bleached the windows before I went in with the spray away. That's how I've learned to keep the soap scum down. But after my shower, I like to go ahead and put on all my moisturizers and my makeup primer and let that sit while I go in and do my hair. This particular day, I really just did a wash and go. And y'all, yes, honey, I get fully dressed with makeup on to be at home and just clean. I don't want to be miserable, okay? So that's why I'm going through all of this trouble. This is right here. Now, I wasn't going to drag y'all through the full process of me getting ready, but as you can see, I do like to shingle my hair. I will leave a detailed product list below, but I will be uploading this look right after this because I did film it. But y'all, it literally takes me 15 minutes. Do you hear me? 15 minutes. I am not doing the most. I'm just getting ready to get into the day and handle what I'm doing around the house. Yes, honey, I get fully dressed to go to the kitchen. So I dive right back into cleaning once my hair and makeup are done, and it's literally just putting everything away underneath my sink. I do kind of regret getting rid of my makeup vanity because now everything has to fit in these two little cabinets and on top of my vanity, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it do either way. So first I'm going to remove everything off the countertop and kind of go through my products and get rid of everything that I'm either not using, expired, or I was literally just holding on to the last itty bitty little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and discard all of that because, girl, I just need the space. Like, purging is a necessity, period. Sure y'all remember when collecting product was a thing, okay? We are wiser now, and we know that that is not acceptable behavior anymore, okay? So as you can see, I am squeegeeing the mirror with this Dollar Tree squeegee, which I think is just as good, if not better, than the ones that I've purchased from Home Depot in the past. I just feel like once the sharpness of the squeegee is gone, it's really not worth it anymore. And I've spent my fair share of money on it, so I'm going to suggest that you stick with the Dollar Tree one. That way, once it, you know, goes bad, you don't feel no type of way because you done spent your good $5, $10, $20 at the good Home Depot, okay? I usually wipe down my countertop like 2 or 3 times because I shed hair like a madman. So usually there are debris of hair and makeup left all over the countertop, and one wipe just won't do it. I mean, tell me how you really getting down, okay? What you be doing over there? So, of course, this entire time I have been listening to music. My preferred genre is gospel, modern Christian, lo-fi Christian, and gospel trap or hip hop, whichever one you prefer. But yeah, it's a thing. It is a thing for me. It's not often that I run out of product literally in the middle of cleaning, but tell me in the comments below, what are some of your staple products? Now, Spray Away has a place in my home, but I also love the Grove window cleaner, and I have really grown to like that one on certain glass finishes, more so than the spray away, because I noticed that with the spray away I still get a squeak, like not a squeaky, but a streaky finish, and I don't like it. Like on my coffee table, the spray away literally leaves streaks, but when I use the Grove window cleaner, it doesn't leave streaks. And trust me, I've used shop towels, a brand new microfiber, regular paper towels. The spray away just does not cut it for me. So tell me, what are some of the things you're using in your home to sanitize and clean your mirror and window surfaces? So clearly, if you made it this far into the video, we are now besties, and you need to subscribe because, I mean, duh, like, we best friends now, and you part of the Homebody family, and that's on period. Like, clearly we're friends, and there's nothing you could tell me different. Tub the same way that I like to clean my sink. I like to put a little bit of water in the bottom of the tub, put my solution in there, you know, let it simmer and season a little bit, and then I'll go in and wipe it up. Some of the things I like to use when I clean my tub are the Barkeeper's Friend, the new Dawn spray like solution. I love that. And the Odo band clearly is a thing. It's a shindig. I do like the Zep for like a quick clean, but not a deep clean. So I have officially finished getting ready for the day, and I wanted to show you guys exactly what I use to clean the toilet room. Now, just so we understand, I am not here to shade my own house or to shade you. I just want to give y'all an example of how to effectively deep clean the toilet room. Also, introduce this little doohickey because why not? On the market today, there are a lot of those little doohickey, gimmicky cleaning tools. They don't do nothing, okay? But the torque on this lithium battery, which is a 12 volt, and this little attachment that I got off Amazon, I'll leave a link down below. It makes me happy because I can turn the torque up to 10. On the other little brushes, they don't do this, okay? They don't have, you see that? They ain't got that. So I also use this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and I let that sit for like 2 seconds. And then to clean around everything else, I like to use this Zep or the Odo band version. Either way, I just want it to smell good when I'm done because it just makes me happy when I put my little tush back on it. So clearly I'm still struggling to figure out the best angle to film this, but as you can see, this dome brush gets right up underneath the rim of the toilet and gets all the gunky, icky, nasty stuff. And I have 3 full bathrooms in my house, so no, I ain't about to stress myself out. This is how I get 3 full bathrooms clean without the boo-boo rim, okay, in this house, period. This is how I get it done, and this is how I get it done in a stress-free way. Now, saints, remember, you gotta clean the outside of the toilet too. You gotta clean the S part, the bowl part, and around the base where the floor meets the toilet, okay? Okay. All right now. Just because I was feeling a little bit extra in my spirit, I went and found some flowers around the house and put my room spray in the little tray on the tub. And here we go, all put together, clean, and we are happy. We are happy. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. My goodness, I just feel like laundry just never ends. Like, it just never flipping ends. But y'all have a fantastic day, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.